Websnoogie is making waves in Omaha's web hosting scene with its standout website maintenance services. This isn't just about keeping a site live, it's about ensuring it thrives online. First, Websnoogie offers free WordPress updates and plugins with all web hosting services. There's no need to pay extra with another company when we offer it to our customers at no charge. Regular updates, backups, and monitoring are part of the package, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Next, robust database management is a highlight. Websnoogie keeps data safe and organized, whether it's customer information or product inventories. This attention to detail ensures businesses can access their data easily and securely. Security is a top priority, and Websnoogie provides free SSL certificates. This not only protects sensitive information, but it also boosts the credibility of websites, making visitors feel safe. But that's not all. Websnoogie offers free marketing consultations for customers to help businesses enhance their online presence. Whether it's social media strategies or website performance improvements, expert advice is just a call away. Websnoogie offers affordable SEO starting at just $140 per month. Websnoogie's hosting packages are comprehensive, featuring FTP accounts, one-click installers, and a 99.99% uptime reliability. This means businesses can count on their websites being available whenever customers need them. Customer support is another area where Websnoogie shines. Their award-winning team is always ready to assist, ensuring no client feels left in the dark. Whether dealing with minor glitches or major issues, help is just a click or call away. Switching to Websnoogie is hassle-free with their free website transfer service. Up to 2 hours of labor is included, making the transition smooth and stress-free. Affordability is key, with plans starting at only $140 per year. No hidden fees mean businesses can budget effectively while getting top-notch services. Plus, Websnoogie tailors solutions to fit individual business needs, ensuring a personalized approach. When designing your website, their unique 7-step design process ensures websites are crafted to reflect each business's identity. Websnoogie focuses on creating a strong online presence from initial consultation to ongoing support. In a world where customer service can feel lacking, Websnoogie's dedication to satisfaction stands out. Their commitment to quality and personalized attention has earned them accolades like the Best of Omaha B2B Award for the past 7 years. So for those seeking a reliable partner in web hosting and website design, Websnoogie is the go-to choice. With a blend of affordability, expert support, and tailored solutions, businesses can thrive online. Don't wait. Reach out to Websnoogie and see how they can elevate your online presence today.